necessary to let the public. Maybe we need that one or what? Okay. Now, we had a council meeting yesterday, a virtual meeting, but the meeting ended late, so I could not communicate what the council agreed on yesterday, so I decided to do it today. And at yesterday's Council of Governors meeting, it was resolved as follows. The first issue was the reopening of early childhood and development education and vocational training centers, FTCs and ECDs. Following the pronouncement by the national government on the reopening of primary and secondary schools, the Council has reviewed guidelines developed by the Ministry of Education in consultation with county governments on health and safety protocols, on reopening of ECDs and VTCs. These guidelines have been disseminated to all county governments to enhance preparedness for reopening of the learning institution. We hereby wish to notify members of the public as follows. All ECDs shall reopen 1 month after the reopening of the primary and secondary schools to allow time to monitor the rate of infection and management of pandemic at the county level. Secondly, the county government shall undertake random testing of COVID-19 on ECD children before reopening. In this regard, we urge the Ministry of Health to support counties with the testing kits. Number 3, that all vocational training centers will reopen at the same time as the national government learning institution. The other issue is the approval of County Allocation Revenue Act CARA 2020. We note that the Senate approved the third basis revenue sharing formula on 17 September 2020. We therefore urge the National Assembly to expedite approval of the formula and Senate to expedite the approval of CARA 2020 to enable disbursement of funds to counties. I reiterate to the public that county governments have not received a cent of this year's finances. Services and projects are negatively impacted, and the whole quarter, 4 months, has gone without any development being undertaken. The other issue discussed is the participation in the National COVID Conference, which will be held in Nairobi on Monday. The Council of Governors will participate in the upcoming National COVID-19 Conference scheduled for Monday, 28 September 2020. It is our hope that this conference will enable us to candidly assess our progress in dealing with the pandemic. Also that we shall, as a nation, take stock of the experience accrued during the COVID pandemic and harness best practices that will be our point of reference for any future pandemic. Government will also use this opportunity as a conference to launch the county government re-engineering and social economic recovery strategy that will inform the annual planning and budgeting process that starts in October 2020. As we wait for the 12th presidential address on the COVID-19 situation in the country, we are committed to work collectively to provide the necessary push needed to enable the country get back on its feet economically.